Designed in the Italianate style, the Jewel of Ottawa, Reddick Mansion, is one of the largest pre-Civil War homes in the state of Illinois. Prominent businessman and philanthropist William Reddick commissioned its construction in 1855. By 1858, the completed mansion was used as a platform to view the first Lincoln-Douglas debate, which took place across the street in Washington Square. Over the years, weather has taken its toll on the exterior of the structure. The Reddick Mansion Association authorized a large-scale restoration of the structure's rooftop cornices, doorways, balconies, and 94 windows. For this work to begin, scaffolding is erected around the mansion, providing exterior access to all 4 floors. Each window is labeled and removed from the building. They are shipped to Heritage Restoration and Design Studio in Peoria, Illinois, where the repairs and refinishing will occur. Prior to restoration, each glass panel and frame are documented. The historic glass is carefully removed from the frames. Each pane is stored and will be reused once the restoration of the sashes is completed. To refinish the frame surfaces, preservationists start by applying a stripping compound to the wood. This compound is wrapped and sits on the surface for 24 hours. Once removed, the compound takes away the lead-based paint, revealing the original wood surface. Next, each window undergoes structural repairs. Damaged or missing sections receive Dutchman repairs. Small holes or gouges are treated with wood restoration compounds. A channel is cut into the grille to make room for new inserts. As a final touch, a sealant is applied to the repaired sections, giving increased stability. The repaired frames are then painted and finished. After the frames cure for 2 days, the historic glass is reinstalled. During this same time frame, work can begin on the cornices surrounding the mansion's 4th floor. In order to refinish the surfaces, the area requires a thorough cleaning of all debris. Once this was accomplished, the cornices were primed and painted. The fresh look revitalizes the defining features of the mansion's Italianate style. The restoration of Reddick Mansion is ongoing, and there is still much work to be accomplished. But once it is complete, this distinguished home, turned library, turned museum, will be preserved for future generations to enjoy.